Good afternoon, you two. Welcome back to I Think I Can Fly RC. And guys, we're back up here at the school parking lot again. Finally beating some rain. It's finally moved out, I think. So we're going to try to get some flights in here. We got the Yak 130, guys. Get ready to take it up and run a 6S 4500. Takeoff flaps dialed in. Here we go, guys. Flaps out. Oh, yeah. Looking good, looking good. Full flaps. Let's do this little slow pass coming on in here. Awesome. I guess I need to go. Look, it's on the verge of a stop. Alright, guys, here we go, full blast. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Awesome plane, guys, it really is. See if we can do this nice little flip, so to speak, here. Oh yeah. I watched those two brothers radio. John without the H, watch him doing that flip there, man. It's pretty cool. I seen him doing it, man. I said, I gotta try that. I ain't real good at it yet, but I'm getting there. One of the best sounding EDs they are, guys. It really is. Let's just full one up high a little bit. Just listen at it. Full blast, guys. Let's go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Uh-oh, feels like my battery might have moved a little. Can't really tell, though. Here we go, another full blast. Whoa, what a turn. That's cool. Hope I got it on camera, yeah. Feel it starting to sprinkle. I hope it'll hold off. Huh, 6 G's it said. Pretty good pull. See if we got gear. We got gear, guys. It's about that time. Woo! reverse thrust. I forgot I had it on pilot fatigue. I should have used controllable reverse thrust, and I forgot about it, guys. It's the thing about having that. Well, there you can see it blowing the water out from under it, man. That's so cool. We can see the water. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Till we do it again, say flying and God bless. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Let guys, sure would appreciate it. Bye bye bye.